In this video, we'll show you how to replace the alignment camber kit on your Ford Edge. This is located in the front of the vehicle and part of the strut. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove the lug nuts with a 21mm. And we can go ahead and remove the wheel. We can go ahead and remove the upper bolt using a 24mm socket and a 21mm wrench. To make this bolt a little easier to get out and the other one to get in, we're going to loosen up the bottom one, but we don't need to remove it. Now we can just bop the end of this bolt with a dead blow hammer, that way we don't damage it. We have two tabs that we need to focus on the bolt. One tab on the inside on this side so that this flange faces out, and then one tab on the outside on that side. We can get the bolt installed. This side you want the small tab facing inwards and in the gap of the strut. You gotta make sure that's laying flat against the strut there. And we can get the nut on. And we can torque this to 173 foot-pounds. We'll reinstall the wheel. And we can line up the lug studs with the holes in the wheel. I'm going to press in down at the bottom of the wheel, and we can install the lug nuts. I like to thread the first one all the way in, and that'll help hold the wheel in while I put the other lug nuts on. And we'll snug those down in a star pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we can go ahead and torque these to 162 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Now you're going to want to take the vehicle for a road test down to your local alignment shop and have them perform an alignment. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.